We're so glad that you're here with us at 5:30 on 10 Tampa Bay. I'm Courtney Robinson.
And I'm Josh Sidorowitz. Hillsborough County school leaders, they say they want to make sure that students know mental health matters.
And as the need grows, 10 Tampa Bay's Chris Rogers gives you a closer look into two new initiatives introduced just today to make sure that there's resources to match.
A lot of the time, my friends will come up to me and they'll be like, oh, I'm stressed about this quiz, I'm stressed about blah, blah, blah. But other times, it's not education-wise, it's also about bullying.
Adanya Rodriguez is a junior at Sumner High School. She was a key voice in Hillsborough County's increased focus on mental health.
When our mental health thrives, our academics thrive, our grades will prosper, and this will mean everything for every student.
The district announced a two-pronged approach to offer kids better access to resources after an uptick in the number of students needing help.
Last year we saw and we treated approximately 200 students who had serious feeling to be able to cause themselves harm, which is an increased number.
The plan is called Hillsborough Assist, a one-stop shop for mental health resources both on paper and online.
We want this to be visible to all students. We want it when they're walking around their schools. We're talking about mental wellness. We're here for you.
These brochures are now available in every Hillsborough County middle and high school. On it is mental health resources. You can also scan the QR code, and when you do, a list of more mental health resources pops up right on your screen.
They're on their phones, they're on the computers, they're electronic. So that's why we've pivoted. We want it to be visible with paper, QR codes, as well as on that electronic medium.
The project was funded in part by Haley's Voice of Hope, a nonprofit started by the parents of a 17-year-old girl that committed suicide in 2017.
When I see Haley again, I want her to say, you know, good job, Mom, and if we save one life, I'll feel like everything that we did was worth it.
Students and staff at Hillsborough County Schools are hoping this plan will encourage more people to get the help they so desperately need.
You shouldn't be afraid to ask for help. You shouldn't be afraid to reach out.
Chris Rogers, 10 Tampa Bay.
Now, from 2016 to 2019, before the pandemic, 5.8 million children were diagnosed with anxiety, 2.7 million with depression, ages 3 to 17. This is according to the CDC. The American Medical Association now recommends anxiety screenings for children as young as 8 and still recommends depression screenings for children 12 and older. Parents, remember, if you need resources or help, you can always call the new Lifeline. That's just 988. You can also text HOME to 741-741. That's HOME to 741-741, which is the crisis helpline.